Your toolbar just got a serious upgrade. Cleaner, faster, smarter, and better looking than ever. Starting on the left, the new hamburger menu. Jump into dev mode, head to your site dashboard, or switch the editor to your preferred language, all from one place. Next, your page selection dropdown. It works just like you're used to, but with one helpful addition. Subpages are now slightly indented under the parent pages, giving you a clear visual picture of how your site is structured at a glance. Device layout controls are still right where you left them. Switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile preview in one click to make sure your site looks great on every screen. Sharing now has its own dedicated button in the toolbar. No more digging through menus. Whether you're sending it to a client, looping at a teammate, or collecting feedback, getting your site in front of the right people is faster than ever. Preview and publish are still front and center, right where you need them most. Check your work, then send it live, all without breaking your stride. And rounding out the toolbar on the far right, a direct path back to your site list. View your sites, open projects, and jump between them seamlessly. Managing multiple sites has never been this effortless. A cleaner workspace, a modernized design, a faster workflow. A toolbar that finally works the way you do. The new toolbar experience is live now. Jump in and check it out over at wocode.com.